Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Nerissa Ray Aba. I'm 44 years old, a high school graduate from the province of Laguna, Philippines. I'm currently living with my partner for 22 years, and we have four children, two boys and two girls. My eldest is 25, the second one is 22, the third one is 20, and the youngest is 18 years old. I am applying for the position as nanny in your kind and respectful household. I have a total of 6 years experience working as nanny. I worked for 6 years in Doha, Qatar. My first employer was April 23, 2016 to December 2018 with a Spanish family. Their family had four members. The couple, their 4 years old son and 2 year old daughter. The second one employer is my Spanish family with four members also, the couple and their two sons with the age of 5 and 6 years old. My third work experience is on call cleaners with the Qatari families from May 24, 2022 to August 2024. During these years, I have gained valuable experience in childcare, including bathing, feeding, tutoring, and playing with children to support their emotional and social development. I love working with kids and always ensure they are happy and safe under my care. I also have strong experience in household chores such as ironing clothes, cooking meals based on the employer's preferences, and cleaning the house thoroughly to maintain cleanliness and order at all times, and I'll make sure it is well organized. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and a patient person. I am also very respectful and willing to learn, follow instruction. I always make sure to complete my tasks with dedication and care. I can adapt easily to new environments and daily routine, and I am also willing to learn new things to better to serve my employers. I am sincerely hoping that you will consider my application. I am ready to work and I promise to do the best to be a helpful and dependable member of your household. Thank you very much for your time and kind consideration. Have a good day.